Hello everyone, it's Teacher She. Today, we are going to discuss about converting repeating decimals to fractions. So, what is repeating decimals? So, when we say repeating decimals, these are the decimals that have a digit that repeats over and over again without ending. Example is 0.3 with a bar is also the same with 0.333 with the 3 dots. We all know that the 3 dots means infinite. Meron pang numbers na kasunod dyan. Okay? The bar in the upper part of the number means that the number repeats over and over again. So to convert it in a fraction, first, we are going to make an equation. Let n is equal to 0.333 with 3 dots. That will be our first equation. Then multiply both sides by 10 to have our second equation. So n is equal to 0.333 times 10. So the answer will be 10n is equal to 3.333 with the 3 dots. So first equation is n is equal to 0.333 and the second equation will be the 10n is equal to 3.333 with the 3 dots. After that, subtract the two equations. So 10n is equal to 3.333 and n is equal to 0.333. So it will become 9n is equal to 3. Why? Because 10n minus n is equal to 9n. And 3.333 with the 3 dots minus 0.333 with the 3 dots is equal to 3. Because the repeating 3's after the decimal will be cancelled or become 0. Then divide both sides of 9n is equal to 3 by 9. Why 9? It is because we are going to isolate n or dapat mawalan ng kasama or number yung n. Because we are going to find out what is the value of n. So it will become n is equal to 3 over 9. Therefore, 0.3 with a bar is equal to 1/3. Next example is 0.52 and 2 has a bar in it. In this given, 0.52 with a bar is also the same with 0.5222 with 3 dots. It means that 5 is not a repeating number and 2 is a repeating number. So again, let n is equal to 0.5222 with the 3 dots. So that will be our first equation. Multiply both sides by 10. So it will become 10n is equal to 5.222. As you can see, we cannot subtract the two equations. Why? Because our goal is to remove the repeating decimals. But in the first equation, n is equal to 0.5222 with the 3 dots. And then the second equation is 10n is equal to 5.222 with the 3 dots. The number after the decimal point are not the same. So we cannot remove or eliminate it. So, multiply again both sides of n is equal to 0.5222 with the 3 dots by 100. So now, as you can see, the number after the decimals are the same. So, we can now subtract the two equations. 100n is equal to 52.222 minus 10n is equal to 5.222. Now, what will be the answer? So the answer is 90n is equal to 47. Why? 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. And 52 minus 5 is equal to 47. And the number after the decimal, which is the 222 with the dots, was being cancelled or become 0. Then, next step is divide both sides by 90. So it will become 90n over 90 is equal to 47 over 90. So again, 90 divided by 90 is equal to 1. So, 1n. And 47 over 90. Therefore, 0.52 and 2 with a bar is equal to 47 over 90. Another one is 0.243 with a bar. As you can see, all the digit has a bar in it. So, in this given is also the same with 0.243 dot or has a 3 dots. So again, the 3 digit is repeating decimal. So it repeats and ending. So again, let's make an equation. So first, let n is equal to 0.243 with a 3 dots. If you multiply both sides of this equation by 10, it will be 10n is equal to 2.43243. The number after the decimal point of two equations is not the same. So, we cannot use this one. Let's try to multiply both sides of the first equation by 100. It will become 100n is equal to 24 or 24.3243 and that or it has a 3 dot. The number after the decimal point again cannot be cancelled. How about if we multiply it by 1000? It will become 1000n is equal to 243.243 with the 3 dots. Now, we can use this equation because they have the same repeating numbers. So, we subtract the first equation and the second equation. So, 1000n is equal to 243.243 minus n is equal to 0.243. Now, what will be the answer? It will become 999n is equal to 243. Now, divide both sides by 999. So, it will become n is equal to 243 over 999. As you can see, we can reduce it to lowest term. Find a number that you think can be divided both numerator and the denominator. Maybe 9 is the first number that will enter in your mind. So let's try it. 243 divided by 9 is equal to 27. And 999 divided by 9 is equal to 111. But 27 over 100 can also be reduced to lowest term. They are both divisible by 3. So, let's reduce it to lowest term. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. And 111 divided by 3 is equal to 37. So, the final answer is 9 over 37. Last example is 0.2394 and 94 is repeating decimals. So let n is equal to 23, 94, 94, 94 with the 3 dots. Our goal is to move 23 to the left side and leave the repeating decimals or the 94 to the right side. So, we are going to multiply both sides by 100. So, it will become 100n is equal to 23.949494 with a 3 dots. That will be our equation 1. Then, multiply both sides of the equation 1 by 100 to make an equation 2 for us to have the same repeating decimals. So, it will become 10,000n is equal to 2,394.949494 with a 3 dots. That will be our equation number 2. Now, subtract the two equations. So, equation 2 minus equation 1. So, it will become 9,900n is equal to 2,371. Next, divide both sides by 9,900. So, it will become n is equal to 2,371 over 9,900. Now, I know some of you are thinking that it is hard. The process is so long. Now, let me share to you the shortcut. In my next video, I'm going to teach you the shortcut in converting repeating decimals to fractions. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.